I'm Laird Bakkin with health news. It's been almost a year and a half since the British rock group The Who stepped in to rescue the ailing coronavirus, whose infection numbers had been dwindling. They embarked on a worldwide tour of super spreader events they hoped would immediately help the increasingly unpopular virus stage a comeback, or at least prop it up through the warmer months. Although not entirely successful, COVID is still with us, and the band has widened its aspirations to include concerteurs for less known but equally threatened diseases like RSV and the flu. But now, The Who is expanding its humanitarian efforts to include something even more in need of even more help: the computer virus. Lead guitarist Pate Township told Health News that musicians in particular owe Tech Virus a debt of gratitude, saying, and I quote, "Some of our best sounds came out of some really scritchy stuff in the pickups. You think fuzz and buzz or even wah wah came out of human genius? No, it's the electro bugs making music of their own." And the late Keith Moon added, "A good virus can even get into the sticks and skins." While most programmers and the business world have been trying to eradicate the virus, Township believes there are enough artists and fans to support computer virus well into the future. The Who's tour schedule will be out shortly, and as with their COVID campaign, many of the shows will be held in hospitals or so-called repair shops. Check local listings. That's health news worldwide. I'm Laird Bakkin.